everyone, my name is Ai. In this video, I want to explain how to use Japanese mirin and also how to make mirin substitute at home only from 2 ingredients. It's very easy. And mirin is very important item for Japanese wives and also Japanese chef because mirin make harmony of food. For example, if you make teriyaki salmon with mirin, it extinct the bad smell of fish, but also like food looks more delicious with shiny coating. And also mirin has some alcohol, so fish become more fluffy, inside is soft, and outside looks glossy and look delicious. And yeah, mirin has like a special umami flavor inside, so it's different from just like sugar. It's not just like sweet. Sugar has sharp sweetness. And also honey and maple syrup, sometimes people use as mirin substitute, but honey and maple syrup has very strong flavor. Mirin hasn't. Mirin has very gentle, mild sweetness. So I was working for ice wine company when I was young. It tastes like that, tastes like rice wine, not rice wine, ice wine from Germany. It tastes very light, but has, how can I say, special flavor. So when you add mirin at the end of cooking, yeah, it make miracle and harmony. That's why many Japanese chefs always keep mirin in the kitchen. So, and I don't recommend mirin style seasoning or grocery store sometimes sell very cheap mirin. But if you wanna buy mirin, please buy home mirin, authentic mirin. And authentic mirin should contain alcohol, and fake mirin has not alcohol. Because of that, they can sell the mirin in less price. But if you prefer to make to practice Japanese cooking, I recommend to buy authentic mirin, home mirin from Japanese grocery store. I don't recommend buy it from Amazon because maybe it might be overpriced, like $50. It's too expensive to buy home mirin. Yeah. So please find home mirin. And next, I want to explain how to make delicious mirin substitute at home. If you have honey, crystallized honey like this or like this, little bit bottom has honey or maple syrup, it's very suitable when you wanna make mirin at home because you just need to pour rice wine or cheap white wine into this container, and you can use as a substitute of mirin. So what I always do is a very lazy way, just open the container like this. And this maple honey comes from Japan, Sugibi Garden. Yeah, it's very good quality honey and maple syrup mixture. So I just put, today you can use both rice wine or just white wine. But if you prefer to make lighter flavor of mirin, I recommend you to use white wine. But if you prefer to make really resemble taste of this mirin, home mirin, I recommend you to use rice wine because mirin made from sticky rice, like fermentation. So mirin is basically sweet rice wine. And I recommend you to check the taste of home mirin when you buy this, because once you check the taste, you can remember the taste and try to make resemble taste again. So it's really taste like ice wine. Yeah, very sweet and actually delicious. Although I stopped to drink alcohol anymore. So today I wanna make very light taste of mirin. So today I use white wine to make mirin substitute. I'll show you. Because when you pour white wine into crystallized honey, next morning it will like the white wine absorb honey, and it's easy way to like use leftover honey too. So I like this way because it's very troublesome to melt down crystallized honey. And the ratio is 1:3 or 1:4. If you wanna make more like sick taste of mirin, you can reduce the taste. You can change the ratio 1:2, 1 honey and 2 wine, or 1:3 ratio. Usually 1:3 ratio is suitable, I think. So today I make 1 honey and 3 white wine ratio mirin substitute, and I just need to wait overnight and shake well next morning, and you can easily like mix together. And if you wanna change container, you can like put into such a cute container later.